So being from New Orleans, the before Katrina aspect of it, when I was in high school, teenager, we had things to do in the community. We had a movie theater. Now you don't see that in the community. We had just activities and work experiences that we could have participated in the community. And I see now that youth in the community, they just don't have that. So like looking now, it's just like they have really nothing to do within the New Orleans East community. So just making it possible for something to do. What motivated me to do this project is because I am from New Orleans and I grew up in New Orleans East. And to see that, you know, when I was younger, they had so much for us to do at that time, and it was a thriving community. And to see what it is now, where you have nothing but blight, and really, like I said, nothing for the youth in the community to do is what motivated me to take on this project, and just motivating and enhancing the leadership skills in youth in the New Orleans East area.